Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. And in this video, I wanted to show off this beautiful product medley that's in our mini catalog that is retiring and available while supplies last. It's a great combination of products that coordinate with a really cute cactus theme. So let me show you a card that I just put together and I wanted to share it with you. I'm going to start with a mint macaron card base, 5.5 by 8.5, and this is something that you would have from your own stash. And I chose a color that was featured in the designer series paper within that product medley. So I'm just going to give it a good crease with my bone folder. Then the next layer is basic white. This is also from my stash of supplies. It needs to be cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So let's get that done with this paper trimmer. Double check this side, and that should be good. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to the front of the card. So this stamp set has several images and sentiments, but I love that it also includes some images that correspond perfectly with the die cuts, and I'll show you that in a minute. Here's another pattern from that paper, 2 by 4. I'm going to use that to go across about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom. Okay, now I have a piece. Look at that precious paper. Love those colors. This is another pattern from that stack, and it is 3 by 4. With a backing of Mossy Meadow that is 3/4 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to adhere that together and place it on the card front. So there I have that little 1/8 inch border all the way around, and then more liquid glue so that I can adhere it to the card base. And I'm coming about a 1/2 inch or so down from the bottom. All right. Next, I have this little cactus, and I die cut it, like I said, from these sheets with all these images that have corresponding dies that are included. Let me show you here. Okay, we have this one that cut out that. We have us two that will cut out a border or do some embossing and cutting into your cardstock. Here's another cactus and one for the flowers. It's just a great little set. So I cut that out, and I'm going to apply that with Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay, so I'm going to do a little die cutting. I decided to bring in another die set that's in the current annual catalog that's going to be available through next June. No, excuse me, through next April, I believe it is. And so for the sentiment, okay, so I've got that applied. Let me get my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And I am using a die from the Tailor Made dies, the smallest one here. And so let me get that over here. And we're going to die cut that before we even stamp our sentiment, okay? So I'm going to load that in right there. And just run this through. And then there's a little tab that comes with these tags. And I'm going to die cut one of those. I've got Mossy Meadow, and this cuts 3 at a time. So let's put that in there and roll it through. Okay. So I can pull that out, and I just need one of those. So let's move the embossing machine out of the way and continue on we are going to put some adhesive glue here, and then it just makes this little tag extra special. Look at cute. All right, and then I'm going to stamp a sentiment. This one says, "I'm always here for you," and this is in the flowering cactus set that comes with the product medley. And so you get all of these items except for the cardstocks, okay? And in that product medley, and then you can just create away. And this is, I added this die to go along with it because I thought it would be really cute. So I'm gonna apply that here. And I line that up with that basic white. And then we're going to add a little bit of embellishments here. So look at all these flowers here we can use. Let's see. I'm going to use that one. And so many choices. So I'm just going to add dots of glue here on the cactus. And this will take a minute to set, okay? So I'm going to be really careful and then set it aside. And then one more thing I want to put on here are one of these gems. Now this is something else I'm bringing in because I thought it coordinated really well. I'm moving that down a bit, and I think I'm going to put a little bit more glue. I didn't want to cover up that sentiment. Okay. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put some of these gems on here just to give it a little bit of sparkle. These are separate. They are in the annual catalog. They do not come with the product medley, but you could use any gems you had that looked great, okay? So there's that, and here are two more that I've made. Same style, different color cactus, okay? And it's just fun to work with these different items within the product medley. So if you're excited about it and want to get it, be sure you check the online store and get it while it's still available. So thank you so much for watching. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.